Insecure property right battles. They are serious battles that one never wished to fight. Because of insecure property rights, my company and myself, we had lots of challenges, missed opportunities, lost money, lost resources. 2012, at a place called Abulado, under Amuwodo local government area of Lagos State. Family introduced me to their property. And when I saw the property 2012, the property was a nice one, very cool. We did our investigation and keyed in into the property. But the challenge I have, or the company had at that time, is that the family that brought us into that place later started fighting themselves. We have done a video before stating the involvement of government into that place. But at the same time, the government was able to do what it did in that place because the families were in together. They were fighting themselves. They never believed in themselves. They never want to cooperate, to work together so that what belongs to them, they could get. That was how we lost 192 plots of land. We purchased 300 plots of land from the family. The family later took away 192 plots of land from us. The matter is still in court till today. Insecure property rights is a serious problem in Nigeria. I never wished any of my friend, I never wished any of my relation to suffer what we've suffered through, to pass through what we have passed through. If you must buy a land anywhere, if you must buy property anywhere in Nigeria, do your investigation, do your due diligence. If you can carry it, pause. Buy the ones that are secure. If you cannot carry it, do not put your leg into what you cannot carry. Our fingers are burnt. We were deceived. Never believe that we will lost what we have lost till today. We lost millions, hundreds of millions of naira that ordinarily we would have used for other ventures. Please, if you do not have the heart to invest in insecure property right, kindly do not. If you don't have the nerves to go through insecure property rights in Nigeria, please do not. We suffered pains, we suffered betrayal, we suffered financial loss, emotional drain, emotional trauma, psychological drain to get to where we are today. But it made us whom we are. We became property right defenders. If not because of that, we would not be property right defenders. But please, I do not even pray for my enemies to pass through what I pass through. Not even my friend. We must do everything within our powers to make sure that we secure our property rights. When you secure your property right, you have peace of mind. When you secure your property right, you are empowered. When you secure your property right, you have future for yourself and for your children. Do everything within your power to secure your property right. Do not buy any land that you that is not secured. Even if you buy that land with insecure property right, do everything you can to secure it. We are where we are today because of the problem we passed through. Don't fall a victim of insecure property right because you will cry. And by the time you know it, you must have lost human and material resources. We wish you well. Join the campaign. Secure your property right now. Join the movement as we move towards securing the property rights of all Nigerians. It's an enormous responsibility, but we believe that with God we can achieve that. Currently, 95% of land and property in Nigeria are insecure. We believe God that in the next 5 years, we will reduce that by 20% more. Join us together as we work to reduce our insecure property rights to the barest minimum.